I'm in the backcountry now, and I'm gonna cold soak my oatmeal. So here is my pre-mixed oatmeal like I made in my last video back at home. And you just dump it in this little Talenti jar. Here's the recipe if you forgot real quick. It's a 1/4 cup quick cooking oats. Quick cooking is the key. I use 1 packet of chocolate Carnation Instant breakfast, 1 tablespoon powdered milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1 teaspoon of peanut butter powder. You can adjust that to however you want. And then you just add water. It's that easy. So I just eyeball it. It's not a science. And then you stir just to get all that powder mixed in. And for the Talenti jar, this is kind of the perfect container for cold soaking. I think most people use that. It's 1 pint size, and it has the screw top lid, which I think is key. So I let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and that goes for all my cold soaking meals. It's at least 30 minutes, sometimes longer. Sometimes for the oatmeal, I'll let it just sit overnight, and it just thickens up. That's the basic principle, is even for the couscous that I make for dinners, you just let it sit and it fluffs out. It's that easy. So maybe next time you'll try it. Let me know. Thanks for watching.